Hi everyone, welcome to the YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to link Instagram to Facebook page. So if you run a professional Instagram account and you want to have a link for your Facebook page, then I'll show you how it could be possible. So first you have to simply go to the Instagram app and make sure you're logged in with your account, then simply go to your
If you'd
profile. As you go to your profile, then you will see the three lines on the top right corner. Click onto the three lines and make sure your account is professional. If not, you have to scroll down a bit and then there you will see the option for creator tools. Then simply click onto this option and scroll down a bit. You will see the option for account type. Make sure you have the professional one. I already have it, therefore I cannot see that option. Once you have your professional account, simply get back and in your profile you can see we have this option for edit profile. Click onto it and then scroll down a bit and then you have to click on this option page. Then we have this option for create or connect. You have to simply go with that option and then you have to connect the Facebook account with your Instagram. So it will take you to the web browser. You have to simply log in with your account. If you already have logged in, then it would not ask you to log in. Otherwise, just simply log in and then it will show you all the pages available in your account. If you don't have it and you want to create a new one, you can also create a Facebook page. Simply select the one that you want to and connect it. It will just take a while, like a minute or maybe few seconds, and it will notify you at the bottom that your Instagram account has been connected to the Facebook page. That means the work is done. And once you get back in your profile, you will be able to see the link. If you click onto it, it will take you to that Facebook page. That means our Instagram has successfully linked to the Facebook page. So I hope you find this video helpful and informative. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more informative videos and updates. You can leave a like, comment. If you have any queries, feel free to ask. Thank you so much for watching the video.